Thanks for the invitation and your time. OpenSlice is a new kid on the block in Etsy. As you know, tomorrow we have our kickoff of this new SDG in Etsy. So I have a few slides of what is OpenSlice and what is about. It will not take so much of your time. If you are here tomorrow, you will learn a lot. There are many details. Sort of history, OpenSlice, the first ideas go back to 2018. We started with 5G in Fire, a European project that wanted to create a multi-Vim infrastructure, then with the support of open source Mano. And then we needed a management software to onboard in parallel NFV artifacts to different sites, interconnect them, etc., etc. So we started to implement something that later on in 2019 went to 5G Vini, where OpenSlice, the official name, was born. And then we wanted to do some more advanced thing. There we had a multi-vendor environment with some big companies in the area of 5G, and we wanted to find something more mature based on standards. We need to interoperate things between open source and products from the industry, and then we created this multi-domain scenarios. Many projects since then started to use OpenSlice. These are some projects that we know in our ecosystem, but we know that there are others that they have used OpenSlice during the last years. I will not go now into the details. We participated in the past in some Etsy efforts. We had a POC in Etsy ZSM back in 2021, which was really nice. What we are doing, we started to build something that is a kind of an open source operation support system to do all these things of delivering network slice as a service. Today, we are using this term of network as a service now, as many SDOs putting this, including HCTM Forum and GSMA. As I said, we started and we're still funding most of the developments in OpenSlice from EU research projects. And the idea was to make it open source and allow, as an open source effort, allow rapid prototyping, experimentation, validation of different services. But also, if it's possible, to provide feedback to SDOs like we did in the Etsy ZSM POC. The general usage in the world of NFV was to use it as an OSS BSS in the figure. We are on the top left corner to offer this network as a service following all these principles, and how we will interact with the NFV world with different, consuming different APIs from the NFV architecture. But providing northbound APIs via the TM Forum open APIs, because as I said, we saw that this family of APIs, which are many, they are used by the telco industry since many years now. And also, since GSMA introduced some ideas about the generic slice template and all these kind of things, we adopted them. We made some adaptations. There are many details. Some of you will see them tomorrow, how we do this. And try to merge all this in the world of network as a service and bring it to the general 5G research. Also, what we try to do is to follow a little bit what is called by 3GPP, this network slice journey, how you go from the requirements of network slice from the customer down to the creation of a network slice instance with the NFV models with VNF and NSDs. This is when we follow the NFV and support the NFV model from TM Forum, or ideas from the GSMA go from the GST down to the network slice. And also how we go, you will see also reading our documentation and our presentations, how we go and we have some mechanisms to translate some abstract requirements that come from the slice model and templates to the actual profiles. And here is, okay, the network services management from TM4 and how we follow also this model exposing these northbound APIs. Again, this is our architecture. I will not go into detail. It's a service-based architecture since the beginning. The idea was that we needed to expand easily to plug and play different services. Since the beginning, we support containers. Lately, already we have a Helm installation already completed, is in our development branch, so it will be available. Many services that support mainly different northbound APIs and also user interfaces, for much friendlier access, because we support not only machine consumable APIs, that these are used especially when we interface with other services. As I said, we are doing this in other projects with commercial products, but also to offer a UI layer that makes life easier for others. And on a service bus that we have, we can easily exchange, messages within different services and also enhance the functionality of OpenSlice. Here are some example user interfaces, how we expose different catalogs. They are with things that you can create orders. All these things, all these models follow the TMF model, but also the NFV world models. Here is a list of the supported TMF Open APIs. Some of them are quite mature. I mean, we almost support them in 90-95%. Some of them are not so, fully covered because there are really many. We cover especially the ones that we implement for us some specific use cases. If we see something that is missing, then we go and fill in the details because the APIs are really, really many. Here is a list of the projects. Some are already completed, some are ongoing. These are the known projects, but I know there are some other projects that use OpenSlice that they are not in this list. So there is active funding on this. So somehow the project will be alive for the next few years at least. So we expect contributions, we expect support, at least, and new ideas from the community. The license that we are going to continue to use of Apache 2, it was already Apache 2, and it's going to be Apache 2 now, also under the umbrella of Etsy. So, as you know, it is already a business-friendly license, as I think you are using also Apache 2. And of course, as I said, the idea is to, with the use of the software and we hopefully with the collaboration with other SDGs like OSM here, TerraFlow SDN, to do some good standardization work in this group, in these groups. These are our founding members. CTTC is already here, so these are our founding members of OpenSlice, and that's all. As a a short introduction of OpenSlice. Tomorrow we have many hours. You can die by presentations tomorrow easily. We have many slides, so tomorrow you will see many details.